Hello, this is Chad. Today I'm going to be replacing the folding fingers on the GoPro Hero 8. Now this is essentially the same as doing a Max as well. The only difference is the Max has slightly longer screws than what the Hero 8 has. I'm going to be using GoPro kit AJMFR-001. Before I get started, let's take a look and see what the kit includes. Comes with a new folding mount, comes with a Torx screwdriver, which is a T4 or a number 4 Torx. And it comes with 2 sets of screws. And let me show you the difference. So, on the right are the Max's screws, and on the left are the Hero 8 screws. As you can see, they are just a little bit longer. Let's put them right next to each other. Okay, to get started, I'm just going to flip the Hero upside down. Then I'm going to pull the fingers up. And that exposes the 4 screws that we have to loosen up to be able to get the mount off. And so I'm going to just go ahead and loosen these. Sorry, I have to fumble a little bit. I'm looking at a monitor and trying to get on the screws. I have a camera in my way, so I'm actually sitting off to an angle. Okay, let's go ahead and let me just show you something real fast. So you can see that there's these 2 posts that stick up on the camera. There's also 2 indentions on the mount, and you just want to make sure that those seat properly. Now it doesn't matter if you put it front or back. There is no front or back. They're both the same on both sides. So the other thing, you want to use the new screws. Hopefully you can see that there's a thread locker on them, and you want to make sure that your mount doesn't go anywhere. The screwdriver that came with this has a little plastic tube that slides up, and I believe it's for, at least you would think that it's to put the screw on, hopefully. And hopefully it will stay in place easier. Now the mount does have a magnet in it, so it does make it a little tough. Oh, let me get my hands out of the way. Now the first one's always the toughest. The next one's will be much easier, because then the mount won't be able to move on you. Now this little tube does help. Sorry, I keep putting my hand in the way. Okay. That's how you replace the mount on a GoPro Hero 8 Black or Max. I'll go ahead and put down in the description the model number for this. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.